If someone shows up wanting to donate to Pickett's Mill Battlefield, please tell them what you need, if there is something you need. I saw the AED, and I thought, I wonder if Travis Tritt gave that to this battlefield, because he gave an AED to several of the parks, if not all of the parks in Paulding County. And I know because I took CPR at one of the parks.
No, you're
And
fine.
so anyway,
If you get in the picture, it won't
I
hurt.
wrote the book Murder on the Silver Comet Trail, and I found out 2 weeks ago that my fifth great grandfather was in the Civil War and is buried in Crawford County. And I found out because I found out his death date, where he is buried, because it kind of horrified me to know that maybe my ancestor died at Pickett's Mill. I wouldn't know because I didn't know where he was buried, and I haven't had the research of where he, served in the Civil War. But he was a Union private carpenter, and I had people on my mother's side who were on the side of the Confederacy. So, but I am American, and I do want there to be a union. I don't want there to be a split. And I brought several things, and nothing except the gourds and that I brought, and one bicentennial glass, because see, in 2025 there will be 160 years since the anniversary of the battle at Pickett's Mill. In 2026, our country will be 250 years old, a union, because in 1866 the Union won, and so we have a union.